Nature has placed mankind under the governance of two sovereign masters, pain and pleasure. There is something beautiful about all scars of whatever nature. Controversy is part of the nature of art and creativity. Creativity is the ability to introduce order into the randomness of nature. I can't go against my nature because I am what I am. In the state of nature, profit is the measure of right. We are estranged from our own deeper physiology because we are no longer in contact with nature. The most important thing is the indigenous people are not vindictive by nature. Unless a man enters upon the vocation intended for him by nature, and best suited to his peculiar genius, he cannot succeed. I'm not opposed to a fancy meal, but I'll take a picnic any day.